Hello, good evening, creatives, and welcome back to my space. My name is Son of Man, and this is Create Videos in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this Bing logo using Pixel Lab. In our last video, we have discussed how to make a green line selections, how to make a proper grid line selection using Pixel Lab. Okay, this is what I have discussed in the past video tutorial. If you haven't watched that video, please do well to check out the description of this video to get access to the video tutorial. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Turn on your notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. Thank you, and let's proceed now. So first of all, I need to get rid of this. And I have back my sketch on my screen. Okay, I have already worked on my grid line, so I won't be doing this again. So the next thing I need to do is to select my image that I sketched, and then I'm going to reduce the opacity. And after I've done this, now I'm going to tap on my screen once. So after this, now I'm going to go here and then click on my browser, and I'm going to start vectorization. So I'm going to tap on my transformation. I've explained this on our introduction to Pixel Lab. So if you haven't watched that video tutorial, also check the description of this video. You're going to see about a video of introduction to Pixel Lab. So you go check it out as well and get started. So I'm going to click on my transformation and close my loop. Now I'm going to get started with the vectorization. So you follow me up and see how I do that. Thank you. So after this, now I'm going to go and then reduce the opacity. Reduce my stroke, right? So now I'm going to go to my color and go to gradient. So for this gradient, first gradient, I'm going to pick this gradient. So I'm going to show you the color code that I use. So for this first color of this gradient, so this is the color code here. So you can just use it for your own design. So for the second one here, this is the color code. Okay, so you can as well use it. So this is how we got to this place. And after this, now I'm going to click OK, right? I'm going to go here and then lock it. And then after this, now I'm going to get back to my screen again and then tap on my screen once to get rid of all the thing I have on my screen. So I'm going to zoom back again, and then I'm going to pick my browser the second time, click on my transformation and close my loop. I'm going to reduce my stroke to around 2. So you can keep it at 1 if it is okay with you to create the second part of the vector. So I'm going to zoom in to see clearly what I'm working on. Okay, so you just follow me up and see how I do that. Thank you. So after this, now I'm going to go I'm going to go back and then reduce my stroke. And then for the second gradient, I'm going to pick this color, right? So now I'm going to show you the color code that I use for this. So here you are going to see it here. So this is the first color code that I used, okay, for the first part of the gradient, which is this. And then for the second one, and then this is the color code that I use. So you can just copy them and then use them for your own design. So here we've got this. So this is the second part of the vector we have created, and we're going to click OK. Now I'm going to go here and then send it to the back of the first one I have created. So after this, now I'm going to also lock it. So I'm going to zoom back again and then click on my tap on my screen once and then pick my brazier again for the last time. Reduce my stroke to 2 and then start this third part of the vector I want to create. So you just throw me as well and see how I do this. So after this, now I'm going to go here and reduce the stroke and then pick the last gradient that we are going to be using. So this is it. So after this, I'm going to tap OK and then send this to the back as well. So after this, now I've gotten the perfect vector that I needed. So I'm going to zoom back my screen to my screen, and then now I'm going to click here and then group the three elements together as one object. And then this is how we got our vector. So compare and contrast. What do you see? You have done a great job. Okay. And then this is how to create any type of vector that you want to create on PixelLab. And the grids is what actually enables us to do this perfectly. So if you want to master how to use this very well, so you must have to first of all go and watch out the video tutorial I've created on how to use how to use grids to create a vector on PixelLab. So thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.